National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Eas County in north-central Texas, Hood County in north-central Texas, northern Somerville County in north-central Texas, until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:42 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are forecast. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Stephenville, Granbury, Dublin, Pecan Plantation, Glen Rose, Lipan, Bluffdale, Morgan Mill, Dinosaur Valley State Park, Squaw Creek Reservoir, Huckabee, Oak Trail Shores, Decordova, Crescent. Today,